Hey people, Jay here and welcome to today's video featuring my husband. So let's get cleaning.
I think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. We'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving. Nothing ever happened, I'm still waiting. I close my eyes, imagination's got me hard.
For those that are new here, my hubby helps around the house on his days off.
Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving. Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving.
I am truly blessed to receive help from my hubby. I want to thank him for participating in today's video.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess.
Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, because it really helps out my channel. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.